What's up, gentlemen? So today we are taking a deep dive down the rabbit hole of personal development. More specifically, my rabbit hole. I'm going to share with you 5 things that I've been doing at night that I personally feel have been beneficial for me. I'm going to tell you what they are, why I do them, and what I've noticed. But at the end of the day, you've got to do your own research. You've got to decide if they're right for you. Starting with number 1, CBD oil. So I am going to do an entire video about CBD oil once I do more research, once I use it for longer. I've only been using it for 3 weeks, but I've been researching it for a lot longer than that. CBD oil comes from the cannabis plant. It doesn't get you high or anything like that, but there's been a lot of research and information recently coming out about the benefits of CBD oil. There were 3 benefits that I personally were like, yo, if it can do that, I'm down. Anti-inflammation, anti-stress, and better sleep. Taking the CBD oil at night before I go to bed, basically for the last 3 weeks. I cannot say that I'm less inflamed. I can't tell. I also can't say that I'm less stressed, but I can definitely tell that I sleep like a rock. I take the CBD oil right before I go to bed, and then bang, I am out like a light, literally. And then when I wake up in the morning, this is the thing that I really noticed. I felt so much more refreshed and well rested. It was really amazing. But at the end of the day, you got to do your own research. There is a ton of information out there. One thing I will tell you is you got to buy it from a reputable source. There's also different potencies and all sorts of stuff. So you just need to talk to somebody who's more educated and get some direction. But CBD oil for me, I'm digging it. The second thing I do every single night is rinse my sinuses, aka nasal douching. So little bit about me. I used to suffer from like 6 to 7 sinus infections a year. I went to my doctor about 5 years ago and she's like, yo, you gotta rinse your sinuses. And she's like, have you heard of a neti pot? I'm like, yeah, I have. I bought one. I tried it. I hated it. And then I found this little squeeze bottle by a company called NeilMed, and I have been using this every single day, every single night for 5 years, and my sinus infections, bang! This little nasal douche contraption has totally knocked out my sinus infections. All day long, there you are, breathing in all sorts of atmosphere, contaminants, stuff, free radicals, not to mention pollen and pollution. In order to keep your sinuses squeaky clean, you gotta clean them out. Blowing your nose doesn't get it done. But by gently putting like saline solution up it, through it, and out the other nostril, boom, exactly. The way that it works is pretty simple. It comes with these like little packets, right? These little saline packets. I have also, in a pinch, just use table salt, a little bit of warm water in here, boom, up your nose, boom, up the other side. It doesn't hurt, it's easy, it's quick, and honestly, it has made a huge difference in this guy, number 3. The third thing that I do at night that has made a huge difference in the way that I look is by using a skincare routine at night. Guys, T. Shanley, I joke about it, I talk about it all the time, but the truth is that once I started actually using the right products for my face when I go to bed at night, it has made an unbelievable difference in the way that my skin looks, the way that it feels, and the fact that I don't get breakouts anymore. You have got to start taking care of your face at night. Gentlemen, it doesn't take a ton of different products. It's not ultra complicated. Quite the opposite. It's simple. All you got to do every single night is wash your face. Make sure that you're using a face wash that is designed for your face. You do not want to use a bar of soap. It's too harsh. It's stripping all of the oils, all of the good things out of your skin. After you wash your face, then it's critical to apply a nighttime moisturizer. Now, in the morning, you've got a moisturizer that has specific ingredients designed to help you and your skin for the day, like SPF. It's got a sunscreen to protect your skin. But at night, while you're sleeping, your skin needs different ingredients and botanicals, and that's why the T. Shanley PM moisturizer is so incredibly amazing. Now for me, because I'm a little bit older and I am trying to fight Mother Nature like a Kung Fu ninja, I also apply a nighttime super serum. The T. Shanley Anti-Aging Super Serum is handsomeness gold. This stuff is incredible. If you're somebody who has dark circles or crow's feet or bags under your eyes, you also need to be using an eye cream. Guys, eye creams are not just for women, they're for guys. I noticed a huge difference when I started using an eye cream twice a day, and the T. Shanley eye cream is absolutely a rock star. I have noticed such a difference in the way that my skin looks, the way that my skin feels, and the compliments I've been getting on my skin since I started using T. Shanley 3 years ago. Gentlemen, there's a link down below to Tiege.com. Go and check it out. We've got 3 different options, level 1, level 2, level 3. If you're new to skincare, start with level 1. If you're a little older or more advanced, go with level 2 or level 3. Guys, hit that link down below and go check out Tiege Hanley. That link is going to give you the special Alpha M discount. Because I am an owner of Tiege Hanley, I can do things that some of the other promotions and people that promote Tiege Hanley can't do. And so if you're looking to try it, guys, there is no better time, there's no better deal than right now, guys. Hit that link, go check out Tiege Hanley, and get more handsome tomorrow. Number 4, foam rolling. Gentlemen, before I go to bed in the evening, part of my routine and ritual is to actually lay down, take about 10 minutes and actually roll my body out. Foam rolling is next level in terms of your body feeling amazing, flexible, pliable, not all knotted up and stretched and pains, because here's the thing. I use my body super hard. I work out like 7 days a week. I do cardio, I'm lifting weights, and I always seem to have like aches and pains and muscle spasms. So about a year ago, I decided to start foam rolling every single night to see if it actually made a difference. I take about 10 minutes. It's nice and relaxing. Technically, certain things feel good and other things are super freaking painful. But typically what I found is that the painful areas are the areas that are actually like knotted up, like my IT band on the side of my leg, guys. Foam rolling, if you are not doing, guys, you are totally missing out on maximizing your body, the way that you move, the way that you feel. Speaking of bodybuilding, lifting weights, and gaining muscle, the 5th thing that I do every night before I go to bed is take a scoop of casein protein. The majority of you guys out there are taking a whey protein. That's the one that gets the most love. Whey protein is the perfect protein for post-workout recovery because when you drink it, it digests, it gets broken down, and it gets shuttled to your muscles like fairly fast in terms of the amino acids. But when you're sleeping, you still need protein, or I feel I need protein in my system in order to continue the muscle synthesis process. And casein protein is a much slower digesting protein. Bang! That's it. What do you think? My personal rabbit hole of personal development. Like I said, I'm going to be talking more about specifically CBD oil a little bit later. That is the one that you really need to do your research before you actually decide. I'm not saying everybody should run out and start taking CBD. Alpha said no. Alpha said that Alpha is taking. Alpha did the research, and I'm continuing to do the research. But gentlemen, that's it. Down in the comments, what I would like from you, if you've got something that you do at night that you feel is beneficial, let me know down there, and maybe we'll do a part 2, because morning routines get a lot of love, but nighttime equally as important, and this guy needs his slumber.